Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Yesterday, there was a huge selling by FIA, and because of that, we have to see today at what price the rupee is opening. If rupee is not stabilizing, the market is also not going to stabilize. So yesterday, the probably RBI would have sold dollars in huge quantities. So that was one of the reasons why the rupee depreciated so much yesterday. But after the morning panic, the rupee has actually stabilized later. So we need to see today at 9 a.m. where it is going to open. US markets, as usual, has done very well despite the Trump threat, this and that. So markets are doing very well, but there, market is actually consolidating. As I told you many times, S&P 500 is trading between 5,800 and 6,150. Now that is closer to the upper end of the trading range. Whereas we are trading in a range of 23,000 to 24,000, but unfortunately, we are not at the upper end of the trading range. We are at the lower end of the trading range. So that is a difference between US and Indian markets. Asian markets are mostly higher. The GIFT Nifty indicating a slightly higher opening, just only 5-10 points, but GIFT Nifty is not a true indication. Our markets, has the habit of making 150 to 200 point intraday move almost every day basis. GIFT Nifty showing only a 10 point move. So we need to wait for the market to open. Calls have been added hugely, aggressively. So which means that, for one or the other reason, if the market goes higher, so these call writers will be in a big trouble. So because of the short covering, the market can move significantly higher. But only problem is that there are no triggers for the market to move higher. Yesterday evening, after our market closed, RBI announced that they are doubling the open market operation purchase. Earlier, you may remember they said 60,000 crore OMO operation, 20,000 crore in 3 installments. The first installment was over already. The second installment is coming now, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. And now the 20,000 crore, they've increased to 40,000 crore. So I told you clearly, the government is planning to do small good things. And so they're seeing if the market recovering, okay. Again, if the market falling, they come and do something good. So this is the, what I would say, the fourth installment. The first installment was OMO operation. Second installment was budget. Third installment was RBI rate cut. The fourth installment is the increase in the OMO operation. So let us see if the market stabilizes, recovers, but I doubt so because these FIAs, they continue to book profits as and when there is a market recovery is happening. So I do not know, as I told you earlier, the government must seriously consider doing something, a big bang announcement, something like, no long-term capital gain tax or something like that. So until then, these small good things, that will become an opportunity for FIAs to offload their shares. So, or, at best, they can just leave the market. Market can fall at somewhere, selling exhaustion may happen. So the market will start stabilizing at a lower level. But, the damage may be big. It might even affect the economy. So otherwise, 23,400 itself has a high open interest among call rating. So anyway, so we can say for this week, 23,800 is a safe. But even 23,800 call options were trading around 25 rupees yesterday closing time. Before that, it was trading even higher. So My stand remains the same, 23,000 to 24,000 for the month. Okay, but for this week, maybe 23,200, maybe a good 23,300 itself is a good support. As I told you yesterday, that's a 50% Fibonacci retracement. But to be on the safe side, it's better to assume that 23,200 will be the good support. So 23,200 to 23,800 is the range. But today there are no events, here as well as in US. But tomorrow onwards, some inflation data will be coming in US, so the volatility may be kept. And today, Sensex expiry is also there. So remember last Tuesday, Sensex expiry was so bad that both puts and calls prices shot up like anything. So let us hope today it does not happen, because the VIX is already up yesterday. So let us see what is going to happen. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.